Hi there. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through Create a Zoe, the process of creating character assets in Inzoi. Create a Zoe is the entry point for character-related modding, designed to let even beginners easily create and apply outfits from the sets category. The assets in this menu include sample outfits used in Inzoi, making them great starting points for new modders. You might be wondering, can I not create outfits outside of the sets category? Don't worry. The Wizard tool is designed to make sets category outfits easier to create. Once you're familiar with modding and the features of Unreal Editor, you can freely create and apply outfits in other categories as well. In this tutorial, we'll import a new character outfit mesh based on existing outfit data and walk through the entire process of applying it in-game. This process involves duplicating the data of an existing outfit and replacing its model with a custom mesh. For this example, we've prepared a male outfit, so we'll choose a sample from the male category. When choosing a base outfit, good idea to consider exposed areas and pick an outfit with a similar structure to your custom design. For now, we'll simply use Male Pajama 01 as our base for creating the project. You'll find the newly created folder in the content browser at the bottom. Let's apply the new outfit we've created in this project. When you click Open Mod Workspace, a message will appear asking whether to copy the base asset data. To help understand how outfit assets are structured in Inzoi, we'll start by copying the existing source. Click the Copy button. Now, we'll replace each element with the assets we've created. At the top, you'll find the Preview toggle button. Turning this on will show the mannequin in the preview window. Since we copied the base assets, the default pajama mesh is currently shown. Let's load our new mesh into this slot. We'll import a skeletal FBX file that has already been rigged with a plugin. You can use the import button located below the slot, but here we'll use the drag and drop tool located at the bottom. Click your desired asset, then drag and drop your file into a folder. A new folder will be automatically created. A Meshes subfolder will be created inside new project content, and the imported mesh will be stored there. Now apply the imported mesh to the mesh slot. Next, we'll create a material and apply textures to it. Click the MICAZ button to create a new material. Then go into the skeletal mesh and apply the material you just created. When designing outfits, the Inzoi team typically uses ARM map, normal map, RGB mask map, and base color map textures. Just like before, use the drag and drop tool to import your textures and apply them to the appropriate slots in the material. Double-click the material to view its base structure in Inzoi. Since there are many detailed settings, we'll skip them for this tutorial. Please refer to the mod guide or the Unreal Engine documentation for more information. Upload a thumbnail image to be used in the in-game customization screen. This image will appear in the UI to help players identify the item. Deformed mesh is used to prevent clipping issues when multiple outfits are layered. For example, if a tight jacket is worn over a bulky t-shirt, the shirt might poke through the jacket. In such cases, a mesh adjusted to fit the outer layer should be used. In this case, we don't plan on layering other outfits over this one, so we'll simply use the same mesh we imported in the deformed mesh slot. Make sure the structure matches that of the base outfit. In this case, we'll keep the original structure as it is. At the bottom, you'll find various regions data fields. These settings control which parts of the body are hidden or masked, and you can refer to the provided guide for detailed explanations. Since we're using a long-sleeve, long-pants pajama as the base, the legs will appear normally, but the arms might be masked out. These settings are hard to preview directly in the tool, so it's best to test them in-game and make adjustments if needed. For this case, let's change the arm mask to arm all short. All the settings are now complete. Let's test the mod in-game to make sure everything has been applied correctly. We'll apply the outfit mod by either creating a local mod package or using CurseForge, then launch the game. In the customization screen, select the male outfit set category to check if the uploaded mod has been applied correctly. If needed, you can always return to the mod kit to make edits and release an updated version of your mod. The Create a Zoe wizard currently focuses on the sets category and is designed with beginners in mind. However, if you're familiar with data structure, you can use this tool to create and apply other character assets like hair, shoes, or other types of clothing. In addition to the wizard, Enjoy also provides a sample character asset project. This sample project can help you create more diverse and higher quality character assets. That wraps up this video. For details and features not covered in this tutorial, be sure to check the mod guide. Thanks for watching. Create your story with even more creativity.